This video will go over how to form complex sentences in the Georgian future tense and how to decline Georgian adjectives in the dative case. Sentence structure using the future tense in Georgian follows the same grammatical structure as present tense sentences. We introduced the dative case in a previous video, but let's quickly go over how to make the dative case. In the present tense, it is used to mark the object and indirect object of a sentence, such as this: I study Russian literature. She is eating bread. To form the dative case, replace the final e with the dative marker s. Otherwise, add the dative marker to the end of the noun. Georgian adjectives are easy to decline. Simply drop the final e. If the adjective ends in another letter, then leave the adjective as is. For example, to say, I study Russian literature, you would say, Me vstavlob Rusul literaturas. Here's a few other examples. My friend teaches African history. Chemi megobari aprikul istorias astavlis. We are writing a short book. Tren mokle tigans vtsert. Tina is drawing a large turtle. Tina did kus khatavs. To say, I will read the book, you would say, Me tigans tzavi kitchav. Notice how the object, book, or tigni, is still in the dative case. To say, I will study Chinese philosophy at the university, you would say, Me chinur philosopias universitetshi vistsavleb. We will eat a large pizza would be Tren did pizzas shevchamt. Here are a few useful adjectives that might come in handy. Didi, large or big. Atara, small. Tskeli, hot. Tsivi, cold. Ktzeli, long. Nishnalovani, important. Saintereso, interesting. Autsilabelli, necessary. Advili, easy. Zneli, difficult or hard. And again, for a review, Didi, Atara, Tskeli, Tsivi, Krzeli, Nishvnelovani, Saintereso, Autsilabelli, Advili, Zneli. Let's go over a few more examples using the dative case in both the present and future tenses. Keti will teach German in Kutaisi. Keti Germanu einas Kutaishi astsavlis. My mother is baking hot bread. Deda chemi tschel urs atschobs. We are reading a long book. Tren Krdzel Tigans Vkitcholobt. You will drink Georgian wine at the cafe. Shen Kartul Rhinos Kapeshi Shesvam. For more information on Georgia as a whole, visit our website www.visiting-georgia.com. Thanks for watching.